Hey everybody, thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name is Angelica. Welcome to my channel. If you'd like to see more videos of me doing goofy stuff like this, I post tips and tricks and examples of my training and different horses that I work with, please go to the top of my page. There's a little red subscribe button. Go ahead and push that button. And there's also a little bell, a notification bell. Push that as well. That way, anytime I post a new video, you'll get a notification and you can be one of the first people to watch it. I decided to just be goofy today and have some fun, so I hope you enjoy the show.